Did you know that McDonald's, the world's renowned fast food chain, initially started as a hot dog stand? Yes, it's true. The story begins in the sunny state of California in the year 1937. Two ambitious brothers, Richard and Maurice McDonald, decided to set up a small hot dog stand which they named the Airdrome. As time passed, they realized that most of their profits came from hamburgers. This led them to a moment of revelation in the year 1940. They transitioned their hot dog stand into a full-fledged hamburger stand, focusing primarily on hamburgers, milkshakes and potato chips. The stand became an instant hit among the locals, with the brothers serving up an impressive 80% of the local community's meals. But the story doesn't end there. No, far from it. These brothers were not only restaurateurs, but they were also visionaries. They saw the potential in the fast food industry long before it became a global phenomenon. In 1948, they introduced the Speedee Service System, a concept that was way ahead of its time. This system, inspired by the assembly line production method used in car factories, revolutionized the fast food industry. It was a simple yet efficient concept. Each worker was trained to do a specific task, whether it was flipping burgers, filling drinks, or wrapping the finished product. This allowed them to serve customers at an unprecedented speed, hence the name Speedee. The Speedee Service System was the foundation upon which the McDonald's empire was built. It laid the groundwork for the fast food industry as we know it today. The brothers' innovative approach to fast food made McDonald's synonymous with quick, reliable service and tasty food. This humble hot dog stand, started by two ambitious brothers, morphed into a hamburger stand and then transformed into a trailblazer in the fast food industry. It was the first step in the creation of a global giant, a brand that would go on to redefine the fast food industry. And that, my friends, was the humble beginning of the global giant we now know as McDonald's. In 1955, a milkshake machine salesman named Ray Kroc entered the scene. You see, Kroc was not your average salesman. He was a visionary, a man who saw potential where others didn't. His path crossed with that of the McDonald brothers when he sold them 8 of his multi-mixer milkshake machines. Intrigued by their need for such a large order, Kroc visited their San Bernardino restaurant. What he found was a revolutionary Speedee Service System, a simple, efficient method of food preparation that piqued his interest. Kroc saw an opportunity in the McDonald brothers' successful business model. He proposed the idea of franchising their brand across the nation. Richard and Maurice McDonald, content with their single location, were initially hesitant. However, they eventually gave in to Kroc's persistence and allowed him to open the first McDonald's franchise in Des Plaines, Illinois in 1955. From the onset, Kroc had a grand vision for McDonald's. He was determined to maintain consistency across all locations, focusing on quality, service, cleanliness, and value. This standardization, which he implemented meticulously, became a defining factor of the McDonald's brand. The relationship between Kroc and the McDonald brothers was not always amicable. In 1961, after years of disagreements over business strategies, Kroc bought out the brothers for $2.7 million. From then on, Kroc had full control of the company. Under Kroc's leadership, McDonald's experienced rapid expansion. He tirelessly pushed for growth, opening new locations at a remarkable rate, ensuring that the Golden Arches became a familiar sight across the United States and eventually around the globe. In the end, Ray Kroc transformed a single California burger stand into a global behemoth, a fast food empire that forever changed the way the world eats. His relentless pursuit of growth, his commitment to consistency, and his keen business acumen were the driving forces behind the brand's success. McDonald's is more than just a restaurant. It's a symbol of American enterprise and global capitalism, and Ray Kroc was the man who truly brought McDonald's to the world. The Golden Arches, an iconic symbol recognized globally, have an interesting story behind them. In the year 1962, the McDonald's Corporation introduced a logo that was to become one of the most recognizable symbols in the world. Initially, these golden arches were not just a mere logo, but an architectural element intended to be incorporated into the design of the restaurants themselves. The arches, designed by architect Stanley Clark Meston, were initially a practical solution to a design problem. How to make the buildings more visible. Meston's solution was simple yet ingenious. A pair of golden arches that would be seen from a distance, catching the eye and drawing in hungry customers. As the years rolled on, the golden arches evolved, becoming more streamlined and stylized. In the late 60s, they were transformed into a single stylized M, a design that has remained largely unchanged to this day. This M still retains the essence of the original arches, a nod to the company's heritage and a testament to its enduring brand. The impact of the golden arches on McDonald's brand recognition is immeasurable. They are instantly identifiable, a beacon of familiarity in cities and towns across the globe. Whether you're in New York or New Delhi, London or Lima, the sight of those golden arches is almost a guarantee of a familiar menu and a taste of home. The golden arches have become synonymous with McDonald's and, by extension, with fast food itself. They are more than just a logo, they are a cultural icon, a symbol of globalization, and a testament to the power of branding. They have been referenced in art, music and literature, becoming a part of our global cultural fabric. Indeed, the golden arches have become more than just a logo. They're a symbol of a global culinary phenomenon. They stand as a testament to how a simple design can become an enduring symbol, a beacon of familiarity in a rapidly changing world, and a representation of a brand that has truly conquered the globe. McDonald's has not only been a fast food giant, but also an innovator. This statement rings true when we delve into the company's history of menu experimentation and adaptation. In the late 60s, McDonald's added a new item to their menu, a creation which soon became a household name, the Big Mac. Introduced in 1968, this double-decker burger was a sensation, a meaty masterpiece that solidified McDonald's reputation for satisfying, indulgent fast food. Fast forward a decade to 1979, and another iconic McDonald's innovation hit the scene, the Happy Meal. This clever concoction of food and fun redefined mealtimes for children across the globe. By combining a toy with a meal, McDonald's tapped into a whole new demographic, and the Happy Meal soon became a staple in the McDonald's menu. In the late 90s, McDonald's saw an opportunity to venture into the dessert market. In 1997, the McFlurry was born. This sweet, creamy concoction of soft-serve ice cream and mix-ins quickly became a favorite among McDonald's customers, further expanding the company's offerings. But, like any successful enterprise, McDonald's has also faced its share of challenges. The turn of the millennium saw the company embroiled in the Super Size Me scandal. This documentary criticized the company's portion sizes and nutritional content, causing a significant public relations challenge. Moreover, McDonald's has long faced criticism for its environmental impact. From the deforestation caused by sourcing beef to the mountains of packaging waste generated daily, these environmental concerns have posed significant challenges for the fast food giant. Yet, despite the hurdles, McDonald's continues to innovate and adapt, remaining a dominant player in the fast food industry. Whether it's reimagining its menu or tackling environmental issues, the company's ability to roll with the punches and emerge stronger is a testament to its resilience and enduring appeal. Today, McDonald's serves over 69 million customers daily in over 100 countries. In the present day, McDonald's is more than just a fast food chain. It's a global phenomenon, a symbol of American capitalism and a staple of pop culture. With a menu as diverse as the nations it serves, McDonald's has mastered the art of adapting to local tastes while maintaining its core brand. From the McVeggie in India, to the Teriyaki McBurger in Japan, to the McCarabia in the Middle East, McDonald's has proven its ability to cater to a global palate. But it's not just about burgers and fries. McDonald's has made significant efforts to align with the evolving expectations of consumers. The company has introduced healthier options on its menu, like salads and fruit, to cater to the health-conscious. They've also made strides in sustainability, committing to sourcing all food and packaging from sustainable sources and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. In recent years, McDonald's has been heavily investing in technology to improve customer experience. With the introduction of self-service kiosks and mobile ordering, the Golden Arches are embracing the digital age in style. They've also ventured into the world of delivery services, partnering with companies like Uber Eats and DoorDash to bring the Big Mac right to your doorstep. And let's not forget about their continuous global expansion. Despite already being in over 100 countries, McDonald's is always looking for new markets to tap into. They're not just resting on their laurels, they're actively seeking to grow and evolve. The company's success is not just measured in the number of restaurants or the billions of customers served. It's seen in the jobs created, the opportunities provided, and the communities supported. McDonald's has indeed become a part of our collective global identity, shaping and being shaped by societies across the world. From a simple hot dog stand to a global fast food empire, McDonald's truly is the golden arches that conquered the world.